Imagine the vast universe as an empty book, waiting for you to write any story you desire upon its pages. You control the pen and can write anything you imagine and watch it come to life. But is it really possible for you to activate this infinite potential of the universe and turn your desires into tangible reality? The answer lies in the power of manifestation, which we've all heard about. But did you know there are powerful symbols that seekers have been using for centuries to turbocharge their manifestations? Wouldn't you like to know how you can use these symbols in your own life to manifest everything you want? In this video, we will explore the 6 most powerful symbols you can start using to help manifest your desires today. Symbols have always been a mystical way to manifest, but many people are just discovering them now. These symbols are more than just images. They are gateways to the divine, portals to unlock the secrets of the universe, and tools to transform our reality. When used with focus and intention, symbolic imagery allows us to access higher energy frequencies and align our consciousness with the creative potential of the cosmos. By meditating on these sacred symbols, we can open doorways to understanding our purpose, manifesting our dreams, and living in harmony with divine will. Let's start our manifestation journey with the sacred symbol of Om, a symbol representing a sacred invocation in Hinduism. It is considered the primordial sound of creation, the vibration that brought the universe into existence. It is a holy syllable that represents the supreme consciousness pervading the universe. Om is composed of 3 letters, A, U, and M. Each letter symbolizes a different divine aspect. A is the beginning, U the middle, and M the end. Together they represent the cycle of creation, preservation, and destruction, the 3 forces governing the universe. Chanting this sacred symbol helps align our vibration with that of the universe, assisting manifestation. As we chant Om, this tone amplifies the vibration of abundance within our own bodies, creating an open frequency for us to receive blessings for the highest good. Chanting this symbol is a powerful way to elevate our emotional states when we are stuck in low vibration emotions and thoughts. As Amit Ray says, there are millions of neurons in the brain. Humming Om chanting creates resonance patterns between different brain regions that foster subsequent long-term plasticity changes in the brain. Now, let's open the power of divine geometry with the second symbol, the tetragrammaton, a geometric pattern with divine proportions. Contemplating its mathematical perfection can align us with order and beauty. Long ago, a group of spiritual seekers called Kabbalists aimed to unlock the secrets of the universe. In doing so, they discovered the name Yahweh as a sacred symbol of the divine. This represented the biblical pronunciation of the Hebrew name revealed to Moses in Exodus. The name consisted of 4 consonants, Yod, He, Vav, He, known as the Tetragrammaton. This 4-letter name of God represents the 4 aspects of every being's life. The first 3 letters signify the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. The final duplicated letter marks their unity according to Kabbalistic teachings. Meditating on the Tetragrammaton is said to align one's soul with the divine, granting access to infinite wisdom and power. By invoking its aspects within yourself, you can tap into your inner divinity and manifest anything desired. This sacred symbol also reminds us that everything is interconnected. As the Emerald Tablet of Hermes Trismegistus states, as above, so below, as within, so without. Recognizing the divine aspects within ourselves allows us to recognize them in the world too. This leads to a deep sense of unity and interconnectedness with all creation, which empowers manifesting desires in alignment with the greater good. As we continue our spiritual journey, let's turn our attention to another powerful geometric symbol, the 6-pointed star. The 6-pointed star is a formidable emblem that wards off negative energy. This symbol is found in the teachings of Hinduism, Judaism, Buddhism, and many other religions. In Jewish teachings, the 6-sided star is named the Star of David. It shines as an emblem that illuminates the connection between the divine and the earthly. It invites us to embrace our spiritual potential and manifest our dreams. With its 2 overlapping triangles, the The Star of David represents the union of opposites, the merging of the spiritual and physical worlds into a sacred, harmonious whole. As we meditate on the six-sided star, we generate a profound connection to the divine. We begin to understand the universe as a reflection of divine will, and that all things are interconnected. By aligning ourselves with this energy, we can harness its power to manifest our deepest desires in the material world. With the next powerful symbol, you will attain harmony and balance in your manifestation journey. The sacred Yin Yang symbol serves as a powerful tool to access the universal flow of energy. Like a compass pointing to true north, Yin Yang provides guidance towards the delicate balance between opposing forces, both within ourselves and in the external world. The concept of Yin Yang lies at the heart of Taoist philosophy. In Taoism, Yin Yang represents the equilibrium between contrasting forces in the universe: light, dark, hot, cold, male, female, etc. It reminds us that nothing can exist without its opposite, and that harmony can only be achieved through balance. As Friedrich Lentz said, "What we are seeking is the nexus of all possible worlds and states of mind, which is within us." The source of yin and yang is within you. Embracing the balance of yin and yang will help us find opportunity even when we are at our darkest moments. It allows us to understand the interplay of opposites in the universe. We can find balance within ourselves and our lives. By acknowledging both our light and shadow aspects, we can learn to accept and integrate all parts of ourselves. Through this process of self-awareness and acceptance, we attain inner balance and harmony, which can, in turn, aid our manifestation abilities. Finally, there is another symbol based on triangles that has captivated seekers throughout history called the Sri Yantra, a mystical Hindu diagram full of ancient energy that empowers manifestation. Meditating on it can help unlock our spiritual potential. The Sri Yantra has 9 interlocking triangles, forming 43 smaller triangles in a specific arrangement. It symbolizes the union of masculine and feminine divine energies. The triangles, varying in size, form 43 smaller triangles in concentric levels, mirroring the cosmos. The power point, Bindu, stands as the cosmic center, encompassed by concentric circles with lotus petal patterns denoting creation and life force. At its core, the Sri Yantra is a tool for meditation and spiritual practice. By focusing on its intricate shapes, practitioners can tap into the deep spiritual energy within us all. This energy, often called Shakti, is the divine creative force giving life to the universe. Now let's talk about the symbol that'll be your guidance towards spiritual enlightenment and self-growth: the crescent moon and star. These manifest symbols are deeply woven into the fabric of Islamic identity and stand as visual emblems representing unity, heritage, and spiritual resonance. Meditating on the crescent and star can foster a profound connection to the divine. The crescent moon, marking the commencement of each lunar month, symbolizes the cyclical nature of time, offering opportunities for spiritual reflection and growth. The star, often depicted alongside the crescent, radiates enlightenment and guidance, emphasizing the pursuit of knowledge. As one meditates on these symbols, a deepened understanding of the universe emerges. The cyclical phases of the crescent moon and the radiant points of the star illuminate the interconnectedness of all things, fostering a holistic perspective. By aligning oneself with the energy embodied in these symbols, individuals can harness a spiritual force that transcends the material realm. It's crucial to recognize that the crescent and star are cultural symbols rather than religious ones. Islam emphasizes the oneness of God, Tawheed, and discourages the worship of symbols or idols. Therefore, while these symbols are widely embraced, they are not religiously mandated, and their usage can vary across different cultures and regions within the Islamic world. With the crescent moon and star, we've explored 6 powerful symbols with the potential to unlock our deepest spiritual potential and manifest desires in alignment with divine will. Incorporating these sacred symbols into daily meditations, prayers, and visualizations can open gateways to infinite wisdom and the universe's divine power. With these symbols, we can create a world of harmony, love, and peace filled with spiritual blessings. Experiment with these symbols, share your experiences below, and to discover how you can use your energy to up your manifesting game, watch this video next. Remember, we are integral parts of the divine universal plan, and I appreciate you being part of this family.